Hello everyone, this is Sandy. Today I would like to share our 3D positioning mask machine. First off, the speed is 120 to 150 pieces per minute, and it adopts 5 pieces of Shinji servo motors and 2 pieces of ultrasonics. First of all, I would like to show you our finished mask sample. It's our customization version for National Day. And we can see here have some lines, and you can customize logo as well. So here is another tab. It's a black. We also can do black color mask. So that's all for the mask sample introduction. Next, we will go to our machine introduction. So let's take our machine from the whole appearance. And I will start my introduction from this area. We can see here have total 5 rows material here, and 3. This one is for pattern layers, and this is our melt blown layers, and this is non-woven fabric layers. And for these 2 is for the ear loop layers, and the width is different. Those 2 are 120 millimeters, and this melt blown fabric with 175 millimeters. This pattern fabric layer with 195 millimeters, and this as well 195 millimeters. So if you want to install air shaft, we recommend you use 3 pieces of these 3 rows. We can find here have a fabric corrector, which is for the pattern fabric layer. When you do the pattern mask, you must have to use 1 of the fabric correctors, but if you want to add 2 more, it's okay, we can support. This is mainly to make sure the fabric will not go to left and to right, to make sure this point can strictly be detected by next step. So here, these 2 rollers, the first roller is our embossing printing, which can print the lines and the characters we can see here, and here. And if you want to do logo, we can change as well, and the lines as well. So here is our mask boot, uses an ultrasonic with 15K, 2600 watts. And this roller is mainly to get the fabric forward. It's to support the fabric. Comes to here, we can see here have a sensor. This sensor is different. We use Pasolic sensors, which is 5 times expensive than other sensors. It cannot only detect the white dot, it also can detect the red dot, black dot. You just need to switch this sensor only. So it's very convenient for customer. And for this part is our folding part. It's mainly to fold the fabric in half. And this part, we have to make sure the lines strictly follow the point. This is the support the fabric to go forward as well. But here we can see the triangle heart is meant to support the fabric like this to go this way. So that means the fabric have turned a direction to go from here. This triangle is what is support the fabric. And for this handrail is meant to adjust the part. And next we can see this is our second. This is for edge sealing. It uses an ultrasonic with 15K 2600 watt as well. It's meant to seal the fabric together. And we can see here it has another sensor. It's the same function as the one there. So it's to detect the fabric dot, this point as well. And this is the gut roller. This is the mask cutter. It's meant to cut the excess edge of the mask. And here is the waist connection device. Then we can take the finished mask from here. Let's take a look at our screen. Here we can customize language for customer. We have some buttons for specific function here. Here we can see here have 5 pieces changes for motors. It's meant to drive. We can see here. One is to drive the mask boot. Another one is to drive the edge sealing. And the third one is to drive the mask cutter. And another 2 is meant to drive the whole machine to run. And here have 2 ultrasonics. So that's all for the introduction of the 3D one-piece mask introduction. See you next time.